Come test drive the 2018 E-Pace. The Jaguar E-Pace sport utility vehicle offers an athletic-looking exterior and technology that will impress. The E-Pace is a perfect blend of vast luxury in a compact SUV body. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.